So this is my video bike check. I have the proper TTL V2 frame. It's nice. It's got removable brake mounts, brake cable mounts, gyro tabs. So nice ODI grips, fly Montana bars, a shitty ass integral stem. Guys, never get any of the Odyssey elementary stems. In here, it's just a piece of shit. It's all smoothed out, so the bars don't have like no grip. Mine kept slipping. G-Sport Marmosa hub, Primo 7005 rim. Let's get to where you can see it. Profile LE cranks, premium slim pedals, shadow light sprocket. This is brand new Colt seat. I like it. It's kind of short though. Oh well. Shit, I need a new tire. They got the Fit FAF in the front and a Tioga in the back, I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's Tioga. We got a Primo Mix 9-tooth cassette. Oh, my sprocket's a 25. And chrome Primo balance rim. And let's see, into details, fit seat post. And that's about it. I will put on 2 fly rims later on and make another bike check.